In today's video I want to show you guys how you can make your taskbar transparent. Okay, for this we go into the search bar. Here we look for the Microsoft Store, so click on this. After that we go into the search bar. Here we look for translucent TB. So click on this, and now we have this app here. So click on this, then install it, open it, and now what we can do here is we can go on the arrow here, show hidden icons, and then we see translucent TB. Click on this, and then we can go on task view options, and this is like normal here. What I can do, and yeah, what you also can do is, yeah, if I exit this, now this is my normal taskbar, and then I click on this and here, open this, and then you see the taskbar gets transparent. So what I also can do is here task view options, and then I can click on normal, clear, blur, and something else. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.